Hello there, all my pupils and students. I want to start today with basically the notes on the first two strings. Just to recap, first string E, that's this one. So we've got E, F, G. Second string B, C, D, B, C, D. So what we're going to do is we're going to start and we're looking at Jingle Bells. So what I came up with was the idea of I play E, 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 copy. E, E, E. Then I play E, E, E again. You copy. Then I play E, G, copy. Now the next bit will be C, D, copy, and then E, copy, right? And then it's F, 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 copy, F, E, 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 copy, E, D, D, copy, E, D, G, and then it's back round to E, 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 G, C, D, E, 2, 3, and then it's F, 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 E, 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 G, G, F, D. So now one of my pupils today, remember that G, G, F, D, C. Now some of the beginners might not get as far as that, but if you can use the listen copy, so I play it, then you play it, it'll help. Okay, so that's Jingle Bells. Now, there was also a note bank, which is important. And a few of us have started looking at the third string out, the beginners. We've got G and A. So you've got G and A, okay? So you go G, A, and that's on the third string. So I'm playing the third string, okay? So I'm playing G, then A, A at the second fret. Now what you need to start doing is matching a fret number with a finger number. So basically on the note bank, if some of you haven't got a copy, you will get a copy next week. But the ones that have got a copy today, you'll notice that there's a number with a circle in it, and that's a string number. And there'll be a little dotted line or bracketed area, which means the notes are covered on that string. And then you move to the next string, which is string 2, there's 3 notes, and the next string, string 1, where there's 3 notes. So we've got G and A, that's on string 3. On string 2 we've got B, C, D. On string 1, E, F, G. And then if the ones that are quite good can come backwards. Okay, now, so we've got string 3, G, open, A, second fret. There you are, you see I missed it, so I'll do that again. G, open, second fret, A, matching finger, second finger. We move to the next string with a circle round 2, and we get open B, no finger, C on the first fret, D on the third fret. And then we're going to move to the first string with a number around it. And then what we've got is open E, and then we've got first fret for F, third fret for D, for G, sorry. Okay, so when you get it going, and then you'll get where you'll be able to play absolutely anything. Okay, now the other thing that we're looking at is there's a song that the acoustic guitar grade 1. Now some of us started this today and we liked it. We actually preferred it from the other syllabus, so that's good. And it goes like this. Now I've played it before on the videos, but I'll just take it in turn. Remember tablature, you've got the 6 lines, right? Your top line, the one nearest the letter T, is the first string, which is that one, not this one, the one nearest your knee. And then the bottom line is string 6, which is that one. I know it's a bit confusing, but that's the way it is, okay? And of course there's a B written there, as I said the last time, which equals bottom end the string, the deepest string, okay? So it goes like this. So you copy that, right? Then the next bit, whoops, copy. Then the next bit, copy, and the next bit, copy, and there's ba bam, ba bam, ba bam, 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 copy, ba bam, ba bam, ba bam, 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 and then it's ba bam, ba bam, ba bam, bam, ba bam, ba bam, copy, ba bam, ba bam, ba bam, bam, ba bam, ba bam, and then it goes to the end. So that was just a little recap on that one. Now the other thing we looked at was a few of you now are advanced, more advanced anyway, not advanced but more advanced, in which case you're able to play the chords. So what we did was we've got the chords of Jingle Bells, which is C. Right, now this is great because basically when you go to the F, it's just a step of these two, minimum movement, M and M, and then a big jump over for G. So it's these two fingers here on a diagonal. Sometimes we have chords where they're together like that, but in this case they're on a diagonal. And I'm strumming the C from the 5th string because that's the root note of C. I'm strumming the F chord from the 4th string, and I'm strumming the G chord from the 6th. So this idea worked quite well. Incidentally, just so you can check your tuning, E, then the next one B, next one G, then bass D, then bass A, and then bass E. So you can kind of get and you get that distinctive bit about it. Right. Okay, so this is Jingle Bells. Okay, so jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, so it's C, diagonal, C, step, 2 and 3, all the way, and then big jump, whoops, oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh, and then there. So you get the idea for that. Now, Silent Night uses the same 3 chords. So you got Silent Night, Holy Night, all is calm, all is bright. Then F, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. You can see how that uses C, F and G as well, and it's a great idea. Although I know at all the schools there won't be a Christmas show, but we may be able to perform to the classes. And there you go. Or it'd be nice for you to have a sing around the tree with your families. Yep. Okay. Right, now the only other thing I've got left to do is with some of the more advanced pupils, I was saying that you could change the mood. Now, it's a great thing to do. So instead of major chords, change them to major 7ths. So you'd have Silent Night, Holy Night, all is calm, all is bright, and then and then you can change the whole mood. But we'll use Jingle Bells because I can manage to sing that one. So you got Jingle Bells, Jingle Bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. So I'm changing the majors for major 7ths. So C major 7 minus the 1st finger, F major 7. That's the same as the other F I showed you, really, because that would be, but some people find that tricky with the little half bar rate. Then G major 7 is that there, okay, and you get that sort of feel about it. We could do minor 7s. Now for the more advanced players, obviously this means that you'll have to be doing this. So you're going like this. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, all the way. Oh, fun it is to ride that there. There's a C minor 7. There's an F minor 7 power chord with a barre across, and then a G minor 7 there. Okay, so what's left? Oh, dominant 7th. Let's do the blues, yeah. So what we get for the blues is we've got C dominant 7. So there it is there, look. Little triangle shape and the barre. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Now F major 7. Sorry, it's not F major 7. F7 is that. So you've got that that diagonal that diagonal shape going on at the 1st fret, then the 3rd fret. So see how that's like that on the 5th and 3rd string. So basically, what's going to happen is you got jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, 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 what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Anyway, you get the idea, and it just changes the mood, and it just makes it a bit fun. Had a bit of a laugh today with that, and at the same time you're getting used to the patterns, you're getting used to the shapes and that, which is a good thing. Now, the only thing left to do, and I want to pause it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, there was one thing that was missing from last week's tutorials, helpful guitar lessons, was the ukulele version of Senorita. So, it goes like this. So basically you got the 4th string open, 2nd fret 4th string, 3rd fret 4th string, back to 2nd, open, back to 2nd fret 4th, right, and then the 3rd. So it's all right, and then open 3rd string, back to 4th string, back to 3rd string, and then you do it again. And then this bit, so that is 2nd finger, 2nd, 3rd, open for 4th string, then 3rd string, 3rd fret, and then it's 1st fret, 3rd string, and then 4th string, 3rd fret, and then back to the 4th string, 2nd thing, then a 1 on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, then again. Right, anyway, that's how that works out there. So yeah, one more time. Oh. Anyway, there we go. So that concludes this lesson. Get Matthew Coates Guitar lesson number 10. So we've covered a few areas there just to get things up to date. Anyway, I'll see you next week or the end of the week for another lesson. We'll see how it goes this week. see how things pan out as the week progresses in the schools. Anyway, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Bye.